Alright guys, so today I'm trying out a 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat, and we're gonna do a quick little 30, or actually we'll do a 40 so I don't spin too much. Let it go already. Y'all ready or what? So I work as a diagnostic technician. Not that y'all care, but it's a Hellcat. The one I just test drove has Hellcat. As the code P300 misfire, multiple cylinders. I'll get that checked out. That way, if anybody ever has this problem, y'all know what's going on. But yeah, let's get into it, and I'll hit you guys back up once I find out. All right, so I'm changing out the spark plugs. These are the old ones. This car has 74,000 miles, so I would say they probably need change. Got some new ones, this is what they gave me. I got those in already. I got these in, gotta put the coil, gotta put those in and the coil. This back one, that one's good. And then just gotta do the other side. Alright, so I got them all in. Got it running. Now I'm gonna scan for an active code. Alright, so now it's showing pending. I'm gonna go ahead and erase that one and see if it comes back for active. Still pending. I don't know. I guess I'll have to test drive it first and see what's going on, but I have no check engine light now, which is good. But let's go test drive and see if it comes back. All right, so we're on the test drive and it seems to be fine. No issue. I have it at 707. But yeah, let me just let y'all hear that supercharger. Hold on. So after test drive, I was scanning it, and now I only got the evap code, no more engine light. It's on right now just because, you know, the car's off, but as soon as I turn it on, it'll be off. And there you go. And just for those wondering how I came up with how it was a spark plugs, I first, you just basic mechanics, you need air, fuel, and spark. So check the air intake and stuff, it was all good. The fuel, all you have to do is you can just turn off the car, let it sit, and then just put it on run. And sometimes you should just hear the pumps prime, so you know it'll be sending fuel. And then you can do extra and take off the fuel lines and see if you receive it up to your injectors. But I kind of already knew it was gonna be more of a spark issue, because the initial test drive, I didn't really feel like a fuel cut. It just felt more of like a not sparking correctly. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. So I took out the plugs, checked them, and they look like pretty old, obviously, because it has 74,000 miles. So I went to go ahead and replace them, test drove it, and now no more check engine light. And that's how you get rid of your P0300 on Mopar.